Hi guys, today we will be talking about the Vivitar Aeroview Video Drone, specifically how to interpret the different sequences and colors of lights. A lot of people have asked me what it means when the lights change from one form or rather one color to another, and it is very frustrating. I understand when you don't know what to do or what the drone needs. So I've decided to put this short video for you all so you can really enjoy flying your Vivitar Aeroview Video Drone. It is easy. I advise not to try to know everything at once. Pick a few, learn it, practice if it's something that you encounter often, and then move on to a next set. So please guys, as you can see, when you turn it on, it blinks fast. Thereafter it becomes solid, as you see right now, and then thereafter it may blink again or change to some other color rather. So please sit back, relax, enjoy this video, and thank you to all my subscribers and everybody for your questions and comments on my videos. I really appreciate it. So please guys, enjoy this video, leave comments below, and for those who have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, and I am always happy to answer questions.